Not a long walk this morning, but quite surreal. It's misty, it's murky, it's wonderful. And I've got seagulls in the woods. Along with wonderful songbirds, obviously. I really am tired this morning, so we'll just be a short walk. Enough for them to have a good leg stretch. And then we'll go for a proper walk this afternoon. I'm afraid my dogs don't have real routine as others do. They have to be adaptable. And they never mind. It's all they've ever known. Good girl. The wild garlic's just starting to come out. This will smell absolutely amazing over the next few weeks. Good children's. As you can hear, we're pretty close to the road, but it doesn't detract from the wildlife at all. Now out here are the floodplains. We really can't see much at all today. Railway line running above them. It would be so easy to stay out here and go for a long walk, but I'm going to have to use my sensible head. We'll turn round and they'll get a better walk this afternoon. Good girl, Oats. Let's turn round here then. Well done, guys. Let's have a quick play with a handy tree stump. Melly! Oti! Good girl. Oti, 2 paws. And Oti, 2 paws. Yes! 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 Watch me! Well done! Okay! Little bit of brain work for them. Good job, guys! And we'll wander our way back. As you can see, we're in pretty thick fog at the moment. Where I work is much higher up, and as we drove over, I could see the sort of bands of fog, you know, that look really pretty in photos. There was no way to stop and take a photo. But it's amazing how you can look down on those bands and they look stunning. And then you get a whole different world once you're in one of them. guys are off doing a little bit of exploring. This is the advantage of Merlin being my second dog. Oti already knows things like she's allowed to explore to the left here, but not out to the right where the road is. And he's learning from her very well, with the odd sort of direction from me, really. Have you found a house? You're going to pounce on your sister? Good children. Merlin, too much. I know you run, Oti, and tell him to stop that. It is a bank holiday, so I'm not going to want to get caught up with loads of people this afternoon. So I think we'll probably go out walking at the end of the day. It may mean we're in heavy rain looking at the forecast, but that's what it is. It's more important this morning's walk is dry and fairly clean, and then we can all go home for breakfast and bed, can't we, little one? You can see the fog's just starting to clear up there, just starting to get a bit of blue sky. Right, this way, guys. Well done. That's us nearly back to the car. So, thanks again for joining us. Hope you enjoyed that, even though it was a brief walk. And we'll catch up again soon. Take care, everyone.